Guess who they are? Conti Power. Okay friends, okay G's, it's your boy again falling with a star. Shall let me play the jama again, the place is on fire. Yeah, we need to go from Santinia Bayua. Yeah, we need to go from.
Look at this one.
So Unity Hall at KNUST is the largest hall with an original accommodation capacity of 448 rooms, but presently has 36 extra flats. It has always been an all-male hall until 1st August 2018 when it was converted into a mixed hall. It has modern facilities and it is nicknamed Twin Towers. Members of this hall are known as Continentals.
Guys,
one, their players. So they don't like spending on their girls.
Very good.
Want boys to spend on you?
Obviously. Yes, please.
Most of them don't really go to class. Or if they are going to class, they are not really going to class
To learn.
Yeah.
Conti has a modern internet cafe, communication and business center, basketball court, games room, a boutique and a gift shop, a barbering salon, kitchen that serves food, and a shopping mall with a well-stocked supermarket.
Hey, I'm not drinking.
Unity Hall is also the only hall with a radio station, which is Continental Radio 96.1 FM, and the most comfortable and friendly and spacious junior common room on KNUST campus.
Chumu.
Ooh, I heard a girl had sex with someone on the corridor.
Come again?
I heard a girl had sex with someone on the corridor.
The next on the list is Casford Hall at UCC. They call themselves gentlemen. They are very loving, caring, and they know how to treat a lady. Their color is red, as red symbolizes love, courage, and seriousness. Members of this hall call themselves casfordians, and they are very excellent in academics. And they are popularly known for the powerful drama they do. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed to this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Control+Y, Japan.